YouTubers. I'm not sure if I have this piece out or not, but I will definitely, I want to put it on. It's lesson book level 1B, The Rainbow. One of my students is learning this piece right now. It's page 19. We learn a new sign here, which is Firmata. Firmata looks like a rainbow, and there is a little sun and a little dot underneath. Little curvy sound with a curvy line with a little dot. And we're going to start with Andante, which is walking tempo. 3/4 per measure, in complete measure. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Lift. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Lift. Louder crescendo, and here's Firmata. It's a quarter note plus Firmata. Adagio, change of tempo. Adagio is very slow. So let me just cover, we're all making the same mistakes over and over and over. I just find it amazing. Right here, make sure you reach for this D, because I always see my students playing a third here and then stepping down and playing a third here. But it's not the third, it's the fourth. G. And here is half note. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Legato is over, lift. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, lift. 3, 1, crescendo. 1, 2, and louder. And this would be Firmata. Majority of my students ask me how long Firmata is. Firmata is, let's think, here we have a Firmata above a quarter note. So you would normally play this a quarter note, right? And then Firmata would be, I think music is very connected to breathing. So you can play a quarter note and then deep breath in and out. And then you can continue. That's the Firmata. That's a great Firmata. It's not rushed. It's not too long, but it's just what we need. And another Firmata here. Firmatas are pretty long. Deep breath in and out. So make sure when you're breathing in and breathing out, you don't let anybody else see that. It's just between you and me as we're learning how to play Firmata. Otherwise, yes, just make sure you're breathing in and out is very discreet. It's just between us. So Firmata, it means hold the note under Firmata longer than its original volume. And the piece is the rainbow. Happy practicing!